Hi everybody, I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop, and behind me we have a 2023 Toyota 4Runner with a pretty serious dent under the driver's handle. This dent went all the way up against the edge, and it creates what's called a high line in our industry. That's where the edge of the panel gets folded into the edge, and when it comes back, it creates a high line. On this particular panel, it cracked the paint just a tiny bit, but we're still opting to choose paintless dent repair to keep this vehicle as original as possible. The dent is pretty serious, and we didn't have to disassemble anything to repair this vehicle. The damage came out fantastic, even though it's not 100% perfect. If you have damage on your vehicle and would like to find out if it's a candidate for paintless dent repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. We're also conveniently located here at 201 Industrial Boulevard in Cedar Park. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.